Hey there, viewers. If you're thinking about financing a big purchase in 2025, Affirm loans could be a game changer. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire application process step by step, so you can get approved quickly and easily. First off, what's Affirm? It's a flexible lending service that lets you buy now and pay later, often with no hidden fees or compound interest, making it ideal for everything from electronics to travel. Before we dive in, make sure you're eligible. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid U.S. address, and a decent credit score, typically 550 or higher, though this can vary. If you meet the basics, let's get started. Step 1. Head over to the Affirm website or download their app on your phone. It's super user-friendly, so you won't get lost. Once you're there, create an account if you don't have one. You'll need to provide your email, phone number, and set up a password. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. Next, search for a merchant or enter the details of what you want to buy. Affirm partners with thousands of stores, so chances are, your favorite one is on board. Now, for the application itself, you'll be asked to fill out some personal info, like your name, date of birth, and social security number. Be honest here. Affirm uses this to check your credit and determine your loan options. After that, review the loan terms they're offering. You'll see the interest rate, payment plan, and total cost. Take a moment to make sure it fits your budget. Once you're ready, hit submit. Affirm usually gives an instant decision, but sometimes it might take a few minutes. A few tips to keep in mind. Always read the fine print on fees and APRs, and only borrow what you can afford to pay back. If you're approved, you'll get a virtual card or a payment link to use right away. And there you have it. That's how to apply for an Affirm loan in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.